Do you think that day trading is about staring at charts all day? No, professional day traders do most of their work before the market even opens. They don't trade randomly. They look for one thing: where will the biggest movement happen today? A day trader's morning is not about guessing stocks, it's about answering three questions. What is moving today? Why is it moving? Is there enough volume to trade it? That's it. No emotions, no guessing long term value, just movement and opportunity. The first thing traders do is check the news, because news is what creates movement. But they don't read everything. They only look for market moving events like earnings reports, partnerships, big contracts, economic data. After news, traders check scanners. Scanners show which stocks are moving right now. They don't search manually, they let data show them where attention is. If a stock is up 30% before market open, that's a potential opportunity. Now comes the most important step. Why is the stock moving? Because movement without reason is usually weak. Traders connect the move to the news. Example, a stock jumps 40%. Then they find it just signed a deal with Microsoft. That's a strong catalyst. Not every move is real. So traders check, is volume high? Is price moving fast? Are more traders joining in? If yes, momentum is building. If not, it's probably a fake move. After scanning everything, traders don't trade 20 stocks. They choose 2, 5 best opportunities. This becomes their watch list. They focus only on strongest news, strongest movements, highest interest. Less noise, better decisions. At 9:30 a.m. the market opens. This is where real action begins. But traders don't rush in immediately. They watch. Does price continue moving? Is momentum strong? Are buyers still active? They wait for confirmation before entering. When traders finally enter a trade, they already know where they will exit if wrong, where they will take profit. This is not gambling, it's controlled execution. If the trade fails, small loss. If it works, quick profit. So the morning of a day trader is simple. They don't predict the market. They react to news, movement, volume, emotion. And they follow one rule: trade what is happening, not what you should think should happen. That's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.